Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping like a pro. Clean and dehydrate the nail to remove oils so chrome adheres. Apply a thin base coat and allow it to fully dry. This prevents lifting. Paint 1 to 2 thin, even coats of your chosen regular polish, making sure each coat is dry to the touch. Once done, wait a bit longer than usual. Moisture trapped under chrome causes patchiness, and only move to sealing when the color feels completely set. Now you're going to create the smooth, tacky surface chrome needs. Apply one even layer of non-wipe gel top coat over the fully dry polish. This creates the sticky surface chrome bonds to. Cure under an LED lamp for the recommended 30 to 60 seconds. Immediately after curing, use a soft eyeshadow applicator or sponge to press chrome powder into the tacky layer in small, circular motions. Make sure to buff the powder thoroughly, finish by sealing the chrome. Apply one thin layer of non-wipe gel top coat and cure, then a second layer for durability and cure again. This locks the chrome and prevents rubbing off. If you see dull patches, gently wipe clean, reapply powder to those areas, and reseal. Troubleshooting tip: if the chrome appears hazy, it usually means the base polish wasn't fully dry or the gel wasn't cured properly. Remove and start fresh to ensure a flawless mirror finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.